Howdy everybody, Cowboy Carter coming to y'all with a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now.
6.5 hours later.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys why you should straight pipe your SRT8, whether you have a 300 like myself, a Charger, a Challenger, or a Jeep. I'm going to show you how mine sounds, and I'll also show you guys some updates, what's going on with my build on my car right now. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Subscribe, pussy. So this is a quick update for my SRT8. I bought some drag radials. Obviously these are the racing wheels. I went with some race stars. I was trying to find what would fit my car. I couldn't really find anything anywhere, so I went with the 19 times 9.5. So let's see how they look. These things are nice. Went with the gloss black. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the chrome look on the front of my car, and everybody just blacks out their SRT8, so I didn't want to be like everyone else. I went with the black radials, which I don't think I've seen anybody do. So here are the center caps. I asked for them to be black. They obviously have red on them. I don't like red, so I'm about to spray paint these and see how they look. So it's nighttime, I'm in my SRT8. I'm about to show you guys how this shit sounds, and then I'll show you some clips before and after I got it cams. First cold start in the day, let's hear it. Beware, hella loud.
Oh my god.
There it goes. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after clips from when it was just cammed to now cammed and straight pipe. It really woke the car up, I'll tell you guys that. So I mean, I'm not saying in any way y'all's car will sound like mine. I will tell you it wakes the car up. So now I'm about to show you the before and afters from how it sounds. So. Alright, so I'll show y'all what I've done since my last video. I took out the back seats. Yeah, just something simple, because this car is like, it says on the blue paper that it's 4,500 pounds, but online it says 4,000. I'll show you guys what I got in the trunk. A little surprise. I finally got my custom plate in. The old plate I ordered got denied. It said stock AF. So I had to go with something that was still kind of funny. Come take a look at this. I'll show you guys what I did to the front. I got new fog lights right here, new grill, and got this shit fixed because it was fucked up at the bottom. But I'm about to wash the car and go kill the tunnel. I literally destroyed tunnels. I'm gonna show you guys how loud it is in the tunnel. That's how you wash your car. me go sideways? You saw it? So this car has too much power for these little tiny ass tires. Especially because it's cold outside. When I floor it, my car goes sideways. I can only gas it for a second. Because if I keep flooring, I'll lose control. So when you guys saw me floored under the tunnel, I only floored it for like a second. I don't think y'all saw, but my car went sideways. You see that car honking? Currently, we're going to Mexico. I'm going to show you guys how my race car sounds from outside. So I'll see y'all when we get over there.